Geneva, Switzerland. So this morning we took a train from Paris to Geneva and we reached here around I think 10:30. Just checked in our luggage in a locker room inside the train station. Went to a local tourist information office, got some information from them as to what we can do for today. So I think we are going to do a cruise on Lake Geneva. We'll go to the UN headquarters. We'll go to the old town part of Geneva, and a few more things. Right now we still have about 30-40 minutes to go before we board the cruise, but this is Lake Geneva. Some nice residential homes. This place definitely reminds me of Bay Area, San Francisco Bay Area. Even the houses on top are like San Francisco, to be honest. Cruise is over. We'll go to some next stop, next destination. I don't know what that is, but we'll figure something out. So see you there. Just arrived at United Nations office in Geneva. This is the main office, the main building of United Nations. That's the main entry. And there is this broken chair right next to it. Apparently this broken chair is a symbol of strength and stability. And it was conceived with the aim of urging nations to ban anti-personnel mines. And by the way, that building is also a UN building, United Nations building. Oh wow. I think the best view of the building, of the UN building, is probably from this chair. How do I get up there? Okay, so the next plan is to take a bus, an open air bus, and then we'll go around the city. In the meantime, we'll just stay back out here and take some pictures. just got done with our bus tour, and we are now in Old Town Geneva, and there is this little tram which is going to take us through the old town of Geneva.
And the lake is 350 meters deep. Le lac Léman est d'une profondeur de 350 mètres. With Geneva's international ratings, which approved the first and second Geneva. Il devient membre du comité de 5 de la